Hello my friends, welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Okay, let's be real. Who is excited about dry chicken breast? Well, today I'm gonna make the chicken breast go to the next level. I'm gonna make it juicy and delicious. Something that you're gonna wanna eat every day. I am Manuel Villacorta, registered and culinary dietitian and weight loss expert with over 20 years of experience. Okay, this is the thing. When people are trying to lose weight, they cut out sauces. And I can tell you, sauces is everything. The sauces bring flavor and enhances your meals. Unfortunately, sauces sold at stores are high in sugar, preservative, fat, you name it. No wonder they're cutting out sauces. Today, I'm changing that. I am going to give you 3 sauces that are low calorie and explosive in flavor. Out of those 3 sauces, 2 I'm gonna tell you where to find them on my blog, but today I'm making one, my latest sauce, my Cottage Cheese Pesto sauce. That's gonna be your new obsession. In my 20 years of experience, I see people get off track, not only because they're hungry, more importantly is because they get bored with the same old meals every day. They feel restricted, take out flavor out of their life, and no wonder they get bored. So today I'm going to enhance your meals by adding 3 low-calorie sauces. Adding flavor isn't cheating. It actually helps you to keep consistent and on track. But instead of drenching your food in creamy dressing or sugary teriyaki from the bottle, let's use real, whole ingredients to make sauces that are low in calories and high in flavor. And here are my 3 sauces. 1. Low-calorie teriyaki sauce. My homemade teriyaki has all the flavor and sweetness of the original without the added sugar bombs. Great on grilled chicken, salmon, or stir-fried veggies. The full recipe is on my blog. Check out for the link in the description. 2. Prune-Ginger sauce. Prunes, they add natural sweetness and fiber. Paired with ginger and garlic, the sauce is savory, sweet, and so good with lean ground meat or tofu. Now let's make one of my go-to sauces, Cottage Cheese Pesto. This one's creamy, vibrant, and is going to totally upgrade your chicken, veggies, or pasta without loading up on calories. The ingredients for this deliciousness: fresh basil, low-fat cottage cheese, lemon juice, garlic clove, olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, water, salt, and pepper to taste. So we've got a base of cottage cheese for creaminess and protein, a little olive oil and walnuts for healthy fats, and Parmesan, that's our flavor punch, umami flavor. This combo gives you the rich pesto vibe without the typical 200 plus calories you get at a store-bought version. Blend it all until smooth. Hey, look at the color, right? Creamy and ready to level up your meals. This sauce is so good, and here's the best part. 3 tablespoons of this have just 110 calories, almost, listen up, 10 grams of protein, yep, and tons of flavor. That's what I call smart calories. You're not just adding taste, you're adding nutrition that helps feel full and satisfied. Whether you're using on a grilled chicken, fish, pasta, or even roasted vegetables, tastes amazing in one bite. If you've been stuck in the bland, boring meal loop, these sauces are going to help you. If you want the recipes of these sauces, check out my blog at manuelvillacorta.com. I have many other recipes as well. Let's make losing weight delicious and not boring. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I want to know what sauces you have made, and tag me so that I can see your progress, or just tell me what sauces you make that I haven't mentioned. Thank you for watching, and remember, stop dieting, start living.